Hey, what's up? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. So today we're going to start talking about what is Dubsado. That's a pretty important thing to understand before we get into the series about using Dubsado, is what is it? According to their website, Dubsado is a business management platform built to save you time and grow your business. And that's definitely true, especially considering all of the features that they offer just to do that, to manage your business, grow your business, and automate things. So today I just wanted to give a very quick highlight of the different features that they have. And then over the next few videos, we'll talk in depth about each of these sections and what they actually mean and how they can work for your business and why they're important. So the things that Dubsado offers, the main features are lead management, payment processing, contracts and forms, accounting, client and project management, automation, and integrations. I know that sounds like a lot, and it really is. But like I said, the next couple of videos, we're going to go over and talk about these individually and get a better understanding, a better grasp of what they are, what they mean for you and your business, and how this platform could help you. So looking forward to what's coming up next. Talk to you then.